Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Samantha. Today's Master of Ceremonies, the student volunteer of Internet Society Hong Kong. Welcome to the second World Internet Developer Summit. Today's event is hosted by Internet Society Hong Kong, Cyberport, and Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks. About our co-hosts, they are Hong Kong Software and Systems Process Improvement Network of Hong Kong Computer Society and Hong Kong Wireless Technology Industry Association. On behalf of the host, I would like to send the warmest welcome to you all for coming to the World Internet Developer Summit 2013. Also, special thanks will be given to our sponsor, BlackBerry and Microsoft, website sponsor, OutSky, and all these supporting organizations to make this event happen. To kickstart our event by inviting Mr. S.C. Leung, Chairman of Internet Society Hong Kong, one of the hosts, to give the welcoming speech. Mr. Leung, please.
Charles, Joey, Herman, Anthony, and a lot of distinguished speakers and guests. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome to the World Internet Developer Summit 2013. This summit takes place in two of the most important technology parks in Hong Kong. That is, today is Cyberport. Tomorrow we have it in Hong Kong Science and Technology Park. Well, it is a conference of overseas and local experts and also a platform for local developer community to exchange ideas. We are glad that we host this summit the second year with our friends in Cyberport and Science Park. As you know, Internet Society's vision is Internet for everyone. We focus on promoting the use of Internet and affiliated technology and applications to bring the benefits to everyone, including business, professionals, youngsters, and also elderlies. Last year, we initiated the first World Internet Developer Summit here in the same very sunny morning, in a very refreshing atmosphere. I think we will carry on the success of last year. We also set up a working group within Internet Society. It's called the Internet Application Developer Working Group to further our mission last year. And I'm glad that this working group has shouldered the responsibility to organize the summit of this year. And the group members are sitting around here. This working group, can the working group members stand up to give the participants a show of your faces? Yeah. Thank you. Some of the working group members will appear tomorrow in Science Park as well. I also like to thank the great working team here. We have the ISOC team, our Secretary General, Ping, here, and also we have a lot of helpers from Science Park and also from Cyberport. If you look around in the reception, there are a lot of people helping us. They are from Internet Society and the two other hosts. And also, I would like to thank all the supporting organizations and you as well for coming here. Besides the Developer Summit, Internet Society has a lot of exciting works this year. I just quote one recent example. In the beginning of June this year, we organized the Start Lab Hong Kong. It is a 5-day boot camp for tertiary students and also graduates who like to explore the path of starting up their internet business. And we have invited a lot of experienced startup entrepreneurs to share their experience with the students. And some of the students and graduates are here as well. Internet Society is committed to develop the internet developer community in Hong Kong. And we would like to make the Hong Kong developers' voice heard around the world. Today, we have a lot of leading engineers of top internet companies and initiatives in the world to share with us their vision and also, most importantly, their passion. And I'm sure they will provide you with a lot of insights that can help you to develop your application and your future. I wish you a fruitful summit. Thank you a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Leung. Now may I invite our guest of honor, Ms. Joey Lam, Deputy Government Chief Information Officer, Policy and Community, Officer of the Government Chief Information Officer, the Government of the HKSAR, to address the opening.
Essie, Charles, Anthony, Herman, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It gives me great pleasure to join you all at World Internet Developer Summit 2013. Thanks to the Internet Society Hong Kong, Cyberport, and Science Park, this summit has become an annual fixture for Internet developers and the industry's great minds from around the world to meet up and germinate innovative ideas for the further development of the Internet. The breadth and depth of knowledge and experience to be shared among you all will pave the way for the ever-evolving Internet to bring more convenience and new services, benefiting from people from all walks of life around the world. The Internet has profoundly changed the way people live, acquire information, conduct business, and interact with each other. The world has become smaller ever since the birth of the Internet in the 1980s and the advent of the World Wide Web in the 1990s. In June 2012, more than 2.4 billion people used the Internet, which is more than 5 times over year 2000. Now, content is increasingly searchable and shareable. Every second, the world is updated with online information, and netizens are enjoying the convenience, efficiency, and 24/7 availability of e-commerce, online entertainment, online education, and networking. According to global IP traffic in 2012, 43.6 exabytes of data generated every month globally. It is estimated that by 2016, nearly 2/3 of all data center traffic will be based on cloud, making today's theme, Big Data, Cloud, Scale Your Application to Million Users, most timely and relevant. Hong Kong is a well-recognized digital city characterized by keen adoption of Internet and advanced information and communication technology infrastructure, thanks to our open and liberalizing policy. Our household broadband penetration of 86% and mobile penetration of over 229% are among the highest in the world. Our technological infrastructure is ranked first globally according to the World Competitiveness Yearbook 2013. Our average peak internet connection speed of 57.5 megabytes per second is also the fastest worldwide, and the average connection speed at 9.3 megabytes per second is the third in the world. Our world-class and robust telecommunications infrastructure enables our internet providers to offer a wide range of innovative services at low costs. With a tech-savvy population, Hong Kong is a breeding ground for startups which play a pivotal role in sustaining our ICT development. In March this year, Forbes named Hong Kong as a top tech capital to watch after Silicon Valley and New York. To foster our ICT startups, Cyberport and Science Park run incubation programs which provide free rental office space, financial assistance, training, and advice to the incubatees. Over the years, many of our local startups have developed into successful business and gained international recognition. To further enhance the support to startups, Government has recently set up an advisory committee on startup development with the aim to create synergy in promoting the entrepreneurial culture and cultivate the startup ecosystem in our ICT industry. A one-stop portal will be set up to provide a wide range of useful information and to serve as a matching platform for ICT startups, angel investors, and other business partners. I'm certain you will have a very fruitful meeting of minds in this summit. For those from overseas, you will have the opportunity to experience for yourselves the vibrancy of Hong Kong's ICT scenery during your short stay here in Hong Kong. Enjoy yourselves and share your insights. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Lam. Next, may I invite as one of the hosts, Mr. Herman Lam, Chief Executive Officer of Hong Kong Cyberport Management Company Limited, to give us a welcome note.
Essie, Joey, Charles, Anthony, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and welcome to Cyberport, and also welcome to the World Internet Developers Summit 2013. This year marks the second anniversary of the summit, and it is very exciting to see so many industry professionals gathering together at Cyberport with a shared eagerness to explore the great opportunity for the future of the internet. With the fantastic lineup of renowned speakers that we have today, I'm sure you will find the two-day summit insightful and enlightening. And Cyberport is most honored to play a role in making this invaluable occasion possible. The theme for this year's event is Big Data, Cloud, Scale Your Applications to Million Users. Cloud computing has been thriving since the broadband became widespread in early 2000s. An array of cloud services such as social networking platform, webmail, and various smartphone applications emerged in the past decade. It is evidenced that an increasing number of companies are embracing cloud computing to run their businesses. According to Gartner, 30% of the global 1,000 companies will apply at least one or two cloud services for internal and external users by 2014, which is only a year away from now, and we have only 5% today. And this number is expected to grow. As one of the leading ICT hubs in the Asia-Pacific region, Cyberport sees the importance in taking the lead in cloud adoption. Our technology center has successfully deployed an industry-recognized hybrid cloud platform, offering IaaS and SaaS for Cyberport tenants, incubators, and ICT startups in Hong Kong. The platform enables these cloud users to enjoy great flexibility and scalability to implement a cost-effective IT infrastructure at low cost and accelerate the application and product development. In nurturing and educating Hong Kong's next generation of ICT talents, our Knowledge Center has organized the Hong Kong Youth 3D Animation Competition and S3D competition by making use of the new SaaS application called 3D Cloud for rendering 3D images remotely. Young people, young talent, are no longer constrained by the limitation they have in terms of the processing power of their own machine. Moreover, Cyberport is one of the 5 core members of the expert group on cloud computing service and standard. The expert group is to draw expertise from the industry, academia, community, and government to facilitate and drive cloud computing adoption and development in Hong Kong, as well as to foster exchanges between Hong Kong and the mainland. Last but nevertheless, I want to thank my partner, Science Park Anthony, and also Internet Society Hong Kong for working together and make this event possible for all of us. Thank you again for joining us, and please enjoy the summit. Thank you.
May I invite another guest, one of the hosts, Mr. Anthony Tan, Chief Executive Officer of Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation, to say a few words for us.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome again to the second World Developer Summit, which aims to keep you, the ICT community, abreast of the latest technology development by providing a great platform for web and app developers to exchange information, share experiences, and transfer knowledge. Hong Kong Science and Technology Park Corporation is, and once again, privileged to be co-hosting this summit with Internet Society Hong Kong and also with the Cyberport. Last year, the first World Internet Developer Summit, we focused on the rise of the mobile and web application industry, which is flourishing here in Hong Kong, and also on the significance of HTML5. Over 500 participants attended the workshops and seminars held here at the Cyberport and also Hong Kong Science Park. And two of the hottest trends in ICT development today are big data and cloud computing, which has been alluded to by the previous speakers. These two trends are converging to offer a cost-effective delivery model for cloud-based big data analytics, which are having far-reaching implications that are changing the world. For example, it is leading the discovery of new drugs to cure diseases, predicting weather patterns more accurately, and also finding better ways to use and save water. Given its significance, then it is no surprise that this year's summit will focus on the topic of big data with the theme of cloud, scale your application to million users. The action-packed two-day summit gathers experts and key players in the industry to share the latest news, development, techniques, practices, tips, and hints via conferences and workshops. The workshops encourage two-way communication to obtain hands-on experience in small groups to learn new techniques, share experience, and exchange ideas. Prominent speakers from around the world will come together and hundreds of developers will meet, learn, and exchange experiences and ideas. It is truly a very exciting project. At the Hong Kong Science Park, our aim is to promote innovation and technology development, which is why this summit is so close to our hearts. Through the provision of the state-of-the-art infrastructure, a comprehensive range of support services, and also a series of incubation programs tailored to serve the needs of startups in different technology clusters, we look to maintain our commitment to promoting and further strengthening Hong Kong's position as a technology hub in Asia. To date, 13 top-tier companies, including Google, NTT, and China Mobile, have chosen Hong Kong as the base for its data centers. When combined, these data centers represent an investment of over $10 billion Hong Kong and occupy a land area of over 300 square meters at our corporation's managed industrial estates at Tai Po and Tseung Kwan O. So today, I can say that we are probably the largest concentration of mega data centers in Asia Pacific today in Hong Kong. In addition to ongoing infrastructure development, we will continue to support the expansion and advancement of ICT in the territory by introducing more programs and events that inform and inspire startups and industry veterans alike. In this, I must thank Cyberport Herman and Internet Society who are with us on this journey. So I hope this summit is a fruitful and productive one for each of you, and that this marks the beginning of many relationships between local and foreign developers. So thank you very much and hope you have a very great day here at Cyberport. Thank you.
Mr. Tan, please stay for a group photo. May I invite our guests, Mr. S.C. Lam, Ms. Joey Lam, Mr. Herman Lam, to come to the stage again for a group photo. I would like to also invite Honorable Charles Mark, Legislative Councillor in IT sector. Also, I would like to invite our co-host representative, Mr. Eric Fan, Executive Committee Member, HKWTIA, Mr. Benedict Lam, Chair of Project Management Specialist Group, HKCS Hong Kong Spin. Also, I would like to invite ISOC Hong Kong Internet Application Developer, Working Group Convener, Ben Jiang, and also ISOC Hong Kong Secretary General, Ms. Peng Wong. Please stay for another group photo. May Mr. Eric Fan, Mr. Benedict Lam, Ms. Peng Wong, and Mr. Ben Jiang be seated. Then may I now invite the following speakers to join the group photos. Mr. Ben Luke from Google, Dr. Li Gao from LinkedIn, George Abrin from Twitter, Matt Valentine from Microsoft, Mr. Paul McKellar from Square, and Mr. Ting Yuan Huang from Mozilla. To join the group photo. Thank you very much, and please be seated.